Hi guys, let me show you how to tie this simple Sarah cap on your head by yourself. So join me, let's start. The first thing I'm going to do is place the material I want to use on my head. Grab a carton. If you don't have a carton, then you can make use of this like Ankara and fold it the way it is being folded shown on the screen. Grab the excess with an elastic band at the back. Can use carton if you have, but in the absence of carton, use this fabric and Ankara material or any material. Fold it in that shape and place it on your initial material placed on your head. Once you are done with placing it, come to the front and pull out some your gill material, dip it into that and use it to cover up the way I'm showing here on this video. You need to cover it up round your head. Cover all the Ankara or the carton, cover everything up like this. Okay, once it is covered up, we're going back to the front and we're going to remove it because we want to work with the excess that is at the back. So I'm going to remove it now. After removing, I'm going to place the back to the front and front to the back now, so that I'll be able to work with the excess at the front before sending it backward. So I'm here, I'll just grab it, and what I want to do to it is just to begin to roll one round like twice, then I'll begin to pleat it down like this. As I'm pleating, I'll be taking it round like I'm forming a rose, but I'm going to leave an edge. Okay, I'll not grab an edge of the material, so I'll have one edge left out, and I'll need an office pin to secure the the pleated parts once the fabric is exhausted. That's what I'm doing. So I'll adjust after pinning down, adjust before I start working with the other part. So I'll grab the other part or pleat everything down like this and grab it like half middle, more than half. Then I'll begin to form rows with it like I did previously. So remember, I'm placing it on the previous one I made, so I'm going to place it on it and adjust properly. Then I'll do the same thing to it, securing it down with an office pin. So once I'm done, I also leave an edge which I didn't dip in. I also leave an edge and I added my brooch at the front for beautification. So it is time for me to send it to where it comes from. I only turn it to the front so that I'll be able to work with it. So I can place it like this now, or if you like it to be at the front, you can leave it, but I want it at the back. And here is it, guys. So I've directed it backward, and this is the final look, guys. Thanks for always stopping by and watching how to do your edge wrap. Okay, DIY simple one. So I'm done. I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to share this video, like and